In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own avatar in Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll have a clean custom avatar generated right from your phone, and you'll understand the settings that make the biggest difference. Start by opening the Magnific AI app. On the bottom navigation bar, tap AI Suite, then choose Generate Images. This is where you'll set up the look and feel of your avatar. In the prompt box, describe the avatar you want. Be specific about age range, style, lighting, clothing, and mood. For example, you might mention clean studio lighting, neutral background, or stylized illustration depending on your goal. If you're not sure where to begin, you can use the random option for inspiration or pick Create from Template to start from a pre-built style and then adjust the wording to match your vibe. Next, tap the settings icon. Open the character section and select the character option that best fits the persona you're building. This helps the app keep your subject consistent from one image to the next. Then choose a mode preset that matches your desired aesthetic. Think of these as style engines that influence detail, color, and finish. Pick the one that aligns with your prompt so the model and your description work together. Decide how many results you want to generate in one go, and set the aspect ratio. If you're making a profile avatar, a square ratio is usually the most versatile. Generating more variations gives you options to compare, but it may take longer and use more resources, so balance quality with speed. When you're ready, tap Generate. Rendering can take a moment, especially with higher quality modes. If it's still processing, just navigate back and tap Work at the bottom of the screen to view your finished results as they appear. From there, review your images, note what you like, and refine your prompt or settings if you want a second round with tighter direction. That's it. Simple, focused, and ready for you to create a standout avatar on mobile.